good enough. First video in 2019. What the heck? Kakagising ko lang, guys. Nag-hoodie na nga lang ako kasi ano to? Nakasando pa ako. Hey guys! It's me, JR! So guys, Happy New Year sa lahat. Ano tawag ito? Hindi ko talaga actually alam yung sasabihin ko. Like, I don't have any points in mind pa. I'll just take this time maybe to just think of ano nga ba ang na-achieve ko ng 2018. It's been a very challenging year. Andun na yung andun na yung ups and downs. Parang hindi ko talaga seryoso, hindi ko alam kung paano mag-start. Siguro gusto ko lang magpasalamat muna first of all sa inyo. Sa pag-support sa akin. Kasi, if you guys didn't know or hindi nyo pa na-realize, naka 1K na tayo. And thank you so much. Kasi, each and every one na nag-subscribe sa akin, you guys were part of it. You guys are part of it talaga. It's a very big achievement na yan before the end of the year. So, sobrang nakakatawa talaga, nakakataba ng puso na I received messages na nag-congratulate sa akin and all. And yung mga warm messages nga, like, thank you so much, guys. Also, I wanna thank God then, obviously, sa pagbigay sa akin ng another year, for not letting me go on the wrong path, you know? Like, sobra. Without me pursuing Him, parang sa tingin ko, my 2018 wouldn't be that challenging. Kasi, people have a lot to say if you talk about religion, if you talk about your faith, especially if they don't agree with you. The thing is, I somehow mention God in my vlogs. It gives me that drive to just continue vlogging. Hindi lang dahil na I get to inspire a lot of people, but also it helps me out to just spread the word. Na it's not me doing it, it's actually Him working through me. And yun lang yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, guys, na just look forward for something greater and always try for greatness. And also a big shout out to YFL. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me, for always showing me that you guys are always there. Just to give me that support system that I needed. Gusto ko sana mag-shout out kaso parang nakakalimutan ko yung mga pangalan. Wala akong notes talaga. Like, gusto ko, this is going to be a very spontaneous video na whatever I say, yun na yun kasi I want to feel it. I don't want to be scripted ba. Also, I wanna thank my family din. Yung sa kuya ko, sa ate ko, sa nanay ko. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Salamat talaga. Even though guys, hindi niyo nakita yung kuya ko, but hopefully pretty soon, pag uwi niya, kasi dadalaw siya dito, we will make a video, so please watch out. And also sa ate ko and sa nanay ko na always nagsasupport talaga sa panood ng videos and all, sa pag-share nila. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. It gives me that, motivation to really continue what I do and what I love. Knocks the one. Let's have this short rewind video na gagawin ko. I'm not sure how am I gonna do it, but yeah, let's do it. Hi guys! Pero kung meron dito, hindi ako marunong mag-chopstick. Ay, okay. Hindi ba bagay, Nay? Nag-uli naman kita. Nag-react ka naman. Mama!
Ganda?
Mama! Ganyan na ako, please, please. Please, alam mo yun. Tao. Ayan, walang tao. Oh my God, hiyang-hiya ako sa sarili ko.
Nakakainita.
Yan. Pang-abnormal tayo dito.
Hey guys!
Whiskey yung ininom namin. Like, ako alam ko na 6 na shots lang, wala na. Dedo na ako. Hey, where are we going?
Okay, to the I wasn't drunk, I was tipsy.
Spiced chicken.
Ano manong, kaya pa?
And vegetables.
Oh my God. Ako pa siya yung ano, extra cheese, yung white cheese, and then yung ketchup. Kasi walang lasa. Kaya ko siya maubos in less than 2 minutes. No touch. Sino mas matakas sa atin?
Hoy, mas matakas na sa'yo.
O hindi.
Oo.
O sige, pakita natin. Yes! Hindi ko na napag-isipan mag-vlog, mag-travel vlog for the first time. Bababa na namin ng train. Welcome sa downtown ng Vancouver. Eh. Bilan niya tatlo. Guys, ang dami nakatingin. Okay guys, ang dami talagang tao. Pakapal ng mukha.
Nakapag-video na to. Talaga yung tatanda.
Ayan na yung lights galing sa juice na ininom namin. Ang cool. Yes! Yes! Great! Meron na naman! Wow, yayaman. Someday makapunta din ako dyan. Ikot ako buong mundo. Bye-bye! Wow! I'm loving this! Look at this flavors! Wow!
Caramel macchiato latte.
Nabili ko siya sa Blue Notes. So, yes. Ito na naman tayo sa Stripes. Oy, wow! Yes! Woo!
Model. You can use. So normally what we do, how does that feel? Is it okay?
Yeah, it's
feeling
cold.
on your skin?
Yeah, it's cold.
And do not touch your skin too much.
Ano? Uy! Marunong! I'm really learning, you know? Kinakabahan ako, hindi ko to camera, kay JC to. Thank you. Action.
Big change for me to come to YSL. I'm really happy I did because I found like a new family.
But I'm just so surprised. Like, ang daming positive feedback about this. To think na 5 to 10 years from now, babalikan ko yung mga videos na to. It's just amazing na there's like a tool like this that I can use to at least spread happiness. So guys, yung mga pinakita ko pala sa inyong clips, yun yung mga videos na I think hindi nyo pa napapanood. If you haven't watched it, please do so. So there you have it guys. I hope that you will look forward for something greater and seek always for greatness guys in this year 2019. Don't ever let those negativities take away your happiness, take away your goals. Pursue it, you know? Kaya mo yan. If ako nga nakaya ko yung goals ko, it doesn't have to be fast kasi everything goes slow. Dapat just be positive. Just see that there's like a brighter future for all of us. And to share my goals for 2019, I'll try to not procrastinate much. Gusto ko mag-grow pa tayo dito sa YouTube. And I want to form my fan club. Wow, fan club. Ang kapal talaga ng mukha ni JR. Gusto ko din stay active sa church service ko and maging humble pa maging instrument to be an inspiration talaga sa mga youth. Gusto ko mas maging strong ako mentally, physically, spiritually. It's not easy, guys, to mention those three. I feel like if you say it, it will constantly remind you. I want to be able to travel din sa mga places na gusto ko pang puntahan, sa mga countries na gusto kong puntahan. And lastly, I think I just want to offer myself to everyone. Kahit kanino pa yan, kung sino pa yan, kung kilala ko man or hindi. I want to offer my time and to give effort to each and every one of you guys. I will always be here, guys. And sana ma-inspire din kayo at some point of this video na there is always something greater for you. Wow! Yun yung purpose ng ano na to, guys, ng vlog na to. As we welcome a new year in our life, we have to make sure that we are prepared. We have to make sure that we savor those moments, every moment. Hala! So yun nga, guys, pa-shout out. Ang hirap nito kasi hindi ko maalala lahat. Pero okay, shout out muna first of all sa kaibigan ko na si Kay. Siya talaga, guys, yung parati nagsusupport sa akin. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Kay Mommy B or Mrs. B, thank you so much. Kay Super RP, kay Travel Girl, kay Kyla Makinay, kay Mary Yu, kay Kuya Powell, kay Ate Grace Pones, kay Kuya John Paul Angeles, kay Aya Racel Bitangkol, kay Cyril Sanchez, kay It's Cathy's Vlog. Thank you so much, ate. Basta, guys, sa lahat ng mga nagsusupport sa akin. And kay Kuya Jean Pear or John Pear. So, guys, before you end this video, sana talaga nag-enjoy kayo. And so that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you guys like this, and if you do, please do hit that like button, and please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. So see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.